Ho ho ho, here we go! This morning was freaking brutal. Holy moly! Don't let it get off! No! Secured the bag. On our way. Oh, baby.
Oh, yeah.
What an awesome fish. Come on, we are back, baby. Ship's Wheel Resort. Just got to the Rainy River, unloading, and then we are going fishing. I think everybody's got the same idea we did.
Tuck in.
Hang on. Oh, that ball. It feels tighter. Okay. That's what it did to me the last time we took it out. Kind of had to just gun it and get some. All right, boys.
Fishing.
Woo! Let's do it. A little nippy, a little chill in the air.
Think it's crowded down there?
Just looks a little busy, and then once you get, the end of those docks is where it opens up, and I think the wind's just swirling in here a little bit because that flag's still coming across. Holy gobble worms. Jesus Christ. Neil, that is enormous.
I know. It's pretty sweet.
The Colossus. What is going on? I had a bite or something. It's weird with my... Oh, my line's all wrapped. What the heck? After a while with no bites, we decided to check around the corner and see how bad the wind was. It's pretty choppy out here. And yeah, it was pretty bad. Oh, you gotta react faster than that. Look at that, cleaned you. feel nice to get in a warm cabin.
Jesus Christ, yeah. I mean, you underrate too how much this seeps into your bones. Like, you know, I'll be cold well into the night probably.
I was pretty good most of the day, but like right now, my toes and my fingers are pretty darn cold. Well, it's the next morning here and it is beautiful out. Blue skies, sunny. It is real cold though. It is 18 degrees, still pretty breezy, 10 to 15 out of the northwest. Yesterday we gave it a shot. We drove up here about the middle of the day. Got our stuff unloaded at Ship's Wheel, dropped the boat, fished for the rest of the afternoon and the evening. And we saw a couple nice fish get caught. Net him. Oh yeah. Woo! But otherwise nothing else, and it was just blowing, so everybody was tucked in out of the wind because it was 20-30 mile an hour winds, 40-mile gusts, and about 30 degrees. So today's going to be cold as well, maybe a high of 34, 10 to 15 mile per hour winds. So we're hoping for a little bit better fishing. So we weren't in a rush to get started this morning, but we're ready to go. So let's get back on the water. It might be a little bit breezy today. Let's see if we can catch the fish. I got a feeling, woo, that today's gonna be a cold day. That's got to be DNR, doesn't it?
I'm very sure I acted like it.
I didn't see any poles or anything. They're just nothing. I almost couldn't believe my eyes. Oh, boys. It was bobbing. even before the wind settled, we had been marking large fish consistently all around us. With the cold front, they just weren't active. Well, it's nice and calm out right now. This morning was freaking brutal and icy. No luck today. But we will be back at it. Hopefully better luck tomorrow. Between the wind and no action, we figured it was time to make a bigger move, so we pulled the boat out and ran east to a different stretch of river. But after about 5 hours of trying different areas and holes with no bites, we decided to end the day back where we started, with calmer conditions expected.
Come on, break the snide. Oh my God, it's a fish.
Holy moly!
What? I don't believe you.
Don't let it get off!
No! Well, we wetted the net. Look at that net.
Why'd you say that?
Because you weren't putting my pressure on it. Son of a bitch. Did you feel much weight? Yeah. What the heck?
Get him, Neil. Evan Rude.
My motor's kind of like that too.
Or I'll just go completely white.
That'd be cool.
Just black.
Well, this has definitely been the most brutal fishing trip I've ever been on. But it is the final day. Every single day has been absolutely cold, it's crazy windy, just gnarly. But today is actually calm and it's gonna warm up here. It's still 27 degrees right now. And then of course tomorrow we won't be here, it'll be 76. But yeah, what a beautiful morning. We're getting out here pretty soon, right at sunrise. See if we can't turn our luck around. Ooh,
Got a fish?
real.
What?
Fish on, baby.
Get your rod out of the way.
How's it feel? Like it doesn't know it's caught yet, or it's coming up?
Yeah, it doesn't feel all that big yet.
It's a sturge. Squirrely one. Got a boy.
You lost it now?
Yeah.
What in the world? That was probably close to 40.
We can't.
That was really
It's a
light.
very light fish.
You get this one.
Get it in the boat. Come on.
It's a burbot. Nice. It's a fat one too. Yeah.
Skunk out of the boat.
Oh my god. That's funny.
I always want to catch a good one too. That's not bad.
That was bigger than last year.
Yeah.
It's a fatty.
Or is it like a person? Like a doorknob? Well, now I can't see your hands are so big.
Do the. There we go.
Ooh. There we go.
Subtle bite too.
That was really slow. Calm down, it's gonna be a while.
I'm gonna pull up this back anchor. I think our lines are good though. Attaboy, Trav.
Fuck, that was light bite. Put that thing up.
This is what we're looking for.
I didn't even think I was gonna. That thing bit like a burbot thing over there. Like, have I been missing bites now?
So let me know. Heading up the river.
It's a good one.
Heck yeah. Ooh. I'll just keep doing the dance. How's it feel? You need to describe it to us.
It's gonna be a bit nice. I can finally take my coat off after this because it's gonna warmed up.
It's probably a 38 incher. Just
I'm just milking it.
we don't blame you.
Neil,
What?
that down.
I'm just ready.
The anchor's way up there, I think.
He's angry. Angry fish.
Doesn't really look like it cares.
And when she goes, it's like,
Well, see ya.
finally. That's a good measure, this one.
Trav on a big old sturge. All right, you've had your fun. Bring them up now. Should we take turns with the rod? Just
Right.
you're good. You don't need to cinch it down. Where are you going here? Staying over there. It's a good one.
Yeah, it is.
Woo! Let's get a jump out of this one. I don't think it's done yet, but it's making you feel good.
Come off. You raise the motor. Just in case. That's really good.
Hopefully this is that giant one that jumped on us.
That'd be sweet. My back's starting to hurt here. Alright.
We feel no sympathy for you.
Watch out.
Oh, there we go.
Bubbles?
You're gonna have to come back here, Neil. Okay, I'm gonna be able to get up there. We move this.
Oh, baby.
Oh yeah.
There we go.
Finally.
Yeah, dude. That's good. 62. Make some room on the floor here.
Yeah.
That's a fatty. Nice fish. Let's see here. I thought that was going to touch 60. Whoops. There we go. Why does that keep... Oh, I can't see with my glasses. All right, you ready for me to video?
Yeah. Get it. 57 and a half.
57 and a half. Go for it.
All right. Thank you, fish.
Woo! Nice job, dude. 57 and a half.
Nice one.
That's a good one. Heck yeah, dude. That's coming right up. The big burbot. It's a jumbo. Sweet. Slimy.
Alright.
Let's see you work that pole now, Trav.
Get coffee all over my boat. Get that complaint in there too.
Make sure you push it hard enough, it doesn't just go right into my line.
Yes, sir. Anything for you, sir. Holy cow, look at that shop.
That was a good job. You know your way around a pole.
Yeah.
Looks like it's broken off like the wetland muck or something.
It's not moving anywhere, is it? That's a thick one. Yeah, that's pretty solid. Not like these half-inch sheets coming down.
Total.
Yes. That one's swimming.
Yep.
That's a good one, isn't it?
Yeah, it feels good.
Oh. Keep. I think it's got to change directions on me, probably.
Probably not as big as yours, but still feels good.
Does it feel heavy?
Yeah.
It's at least 40.
That's more than that. Well, yeah.
I mean, if it's doing this, is what I'm saying.
Yeah, buddy.
It's like no point in
Does that
reeling.
drag feel okay?
Yeah, it does. I
Okay.
mean, I got it here, I guess.
It seems about good. As soon as you hooked it, and you could tell it was just swimming up. It's like,
Oh, there he goes.
can you see it on there?
Yeah. That's a good one.
Take a little video of that if you can.
For the viewers,
Oh, just cool if you can see it. Are you going over?
Yep.
Nice, dude. Heck yeah. This thing's just going all over. I can hear Neil breathing.
Yeah. No. Because I'm like 3 deep.
If it gets under the boat, reach out. Or come back.
geared up, dude.
Oh, that's what mine was doing. It looked like it was going one way, and then it's like, no, it's going the other way.
Nice.
Maybe a little bigger than I thought.
Oh boy. So murky.
Bro.
Into the ice pack. It's a strong one.
Yeah, it is.
No horsing.
Yeah, no reason. Might as well enjoy it. I'll race. Yeah, no, you're good. It's off the ground, but you're good. You're good. Just let him not get tired.
Bro.
Reach out a little bit. You don't want to rub the boat. Give us a jump. It likes the channel over here, I think. Ooh.
Oh, it's twisted, that's one.
Oh, yeah. There we go. What we got going on here?
Yeah!
Woo!
Ugh. I should let one of those out. Ugh.
How many police do we have?
Alright, why don't we lay it? Should we bring it up there? Or do we got room down here? Move this stuff up there, maybe. Whew. Hell yeah, dude. Alright, ready? That's a
Ooh,
tank.
that is a hefty. Ooh.
That's a tank. Alright. That's a thick one. Gonna grab the tail.
Like 50s, high 50s.
Yours 50.
57 and 3/4.
Tail going away from you. All right, smile.
That's awesome, dude. Slime time, just in the nick of time.
All right, one more.
So you said a half hour more now?
Yeah,
Please.
maybe an hour. Now that I'm up.
Now the strap's up. It'd be nice to get a one fish.
All right.
What's up, buddy?
Good.
There's Neil.
All right, girl.
7 3/4.
Ooh.
Fuck yeah.
Nice work.
Yeah, dude. Oh, that's awesome. Whee, the gap. I'll just fly out of Baudette Airport. Oh, thought that was gonna be the one. Oh, come on. It's gonna psych me out now. Apparently that's the active zone over there.
Oh, baby, here he goes.
There we go.
All right.
Am I blinking red? Did I turn it on?
Yep.
I can see him.
He's an iceberg.
He's a nice fall.
All right.
Yes!
He's the one
I think so.
coming upstream.
Haven't felt the full weight of it yet. Oh, there we
I
go.
was like waiting for the run.
Oh, I got a nice iceberg. Jesus.
Make it dramatic.
Oh, wait, we're gonna fish more after this.
Hot bite now.
Okay. All right.
I know.
Half hour now, I guess. All right.
Keep adding time, baby. Oh,
Nice.
there we go.
This one's f***ing big. On the thing.
We're supposed to be doing the power action.
Woohoo, baby. That's what I'm talking about.
Yeah. Pretty good.
Oh my goodness.
Bigger than that. This thing only goes to like. Look at the motor. What do you think this is going?
I think I'm alright. Jesus. Now I'm breathing.
Yeah, I felt it warm.
There's one yet.
Yeah, yours, bro.
That's why you like to make the flag all over.
Wouldn't you? This is an impressive net.
Come back over here.
Put it down so you get an action shot. This is gonna be.
Yeah, go ahead.
Here, smile. Got the guy.
Holy.
Nice.
Whew.
You gotta get it off.
It's just in the current.
That's what magic words. That beauty comes out. Make that chorus and lick. I'm never bringing smoke.
Oh, yeah.
Where's it going? Everywhere. Man, it's getting way out there now.
Jesus.
Go on. It's using the current. Might jump here. I don't know. Well, now it's just swimming towards us.
Into a big one. Big. See how big this thing is.
It's big. There it is. Boy, is that a strong one. If you hold the bottom of it, it's a little easier to control.
Yeah, for sure.
Oh boy.
Wait till it's done.
Yeah.
Jeez. Wait. Get her in there.
Can I get a big enough net? Jesus. Okay, come on. Good.
Woo! Yeah! I love it when it gives this net a challenge.
It's head down and I'll get the.
Yep. Oh my god.
Ooh.
Nice one.
Might have to put that one up front.
Might be just.
We'll see. Could be 59 or something.
You got the dock.
Yeah.
Already.
I got it out there. Oh boy. Alright, we gotta turn it around.
Yeah, it is something.
The pliers.
I'm just gonna have to lay it. You're gonna have to move the cooler, like, we're gonna need that whole bow.
Straight?
Yep.
62 3/4.
Woo!
Okay, ready?
Picture?
Sit on the.
Woo! What an awesome fish. Yeah! There's that up there. That's what I'm talking about.
Now.
Thanks for being patient, fellas. That's a better day. Right there. currently in second place. So I took a screenshot to immortalize it. Oh.
Not a high note.
Oh, this might be a thick one too. I might need some help. Jesus Christ. Just push the boat if we have to. Oh. It's just gonna come right back at us here. Yeah! This is Murphy. I think we're just. Should go back this way again.
There we go.
Oh, no! Nothing?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Burb? Oh, a sturge. Added to the ticker. That's number 4, baby. Oh!
Flew off.
Take it off the ticker.
That's alright. That in the net.
I don't know if I would have got that big sucker over there in time.
I know.
All right, that's the end of our trip. It was an absolute grueling 4 days. Just started with tons of wind, ice. This last day, of course, the day we have to leave is absolutely beautiful. And we each caught a giant, which was awesome. But now we got to head back. So thanks for watching.